Hello and welcome back to part 8 of house build. In the last episode we had the floor joist put up and most of the subfloor. So you can see we finished that up. We've put some stops in along the outside. We've got a piece of wall here built. This is the exterior wall on the side of the bedroom. We're going to be putting that up right now. So we've got a brace attached to the side of the wall and some stops so that we can push the wall up and it'll sit in the location where it needs to go. We'll grab the level, make sure that it's plumb, and then we can nail the cross brace and make sure that we have it set plumb, and then start nailing the base down to the floor and put another brace in, and then we'll continue working around the perimeter of the house. Put another piece of sheeting on and we've got our next piece of wall built. Slide that into place. Make sure that it's tight up against the last piece. And once we get it tight up against the last piece, we'll be able to nail the base of the wall down. All right, so let's nail the base down first. And then we can put the level up against the wall and pin it into place once we get it plumb, and then go through and nail down the entire wall. I've also put up the garage wall. You can see here. And we went along the back in the bedroom. You can see that's the bedroom window. Nice big picture window. The wall we just completed, and the garage wall. So we're going to continue on around, and you can see we have the kitchen window now installed on the back of the house. And we'll continue on putting more walls up. So if you like this episode, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. Check back in episode 9. I'm How To Bob. Thanks for watching.